Just 10 days left for the exam, and the last 10 days is what makes the difference actually. Hi guys, welcome back to the Journey Phase YouTube channel. This is Ashri. I'm a first year student pursuing my BCom honors from Delhi University. In this video, I'm going to tell you the 10 things that you have to keep in mind before your exam, that is in the coming 10 days. The number one and the most important one is solving PYQs and MCQs. ये important इसलिए है because these things help you in grasping the concept and helping you know कि किस type के questions exam में actually आते हैं. Also, if you just stay to clearing your concepts अभी तक, so when will you start practicing? It is important that you right now start solving mock tests until it is very late and you realize that. Number two is consistency. Starting से हम पढ़ते आ रहे हैं, but at this point of time, a lot of you become lethargic. And you should totally avoid that. Stay consistent in your preparation. Do your mocks every day. Clear your concepts, clear your doubts, solve mock tests, improve accuracy. You have very less time left. So make sure that you're consistent and not lethargic at this point of time. Number three is not picking up new things and staying consistent and revising the things that you have already done. Why? अगर अभी आप नए टॉपिक्स लेकर बैठोगे, you have very less time. ना आप इन पर फोकस कर पाओगे, नॉट ऑल्सो द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव डन प्रीवियसली. सो प्रैक्टिस इज वॉट यू लैक. So make sure that you're practicing things properly, the things which you have done in the past and the things that which you have covered already. Do not start doing new things or new chapters because you have very less time. So it will make you confused about the previous concepts too. Make sure नई चीजें नहीं कर रहे हो and revising the previous things that you've already done. Now, this is the point of time when you should start practicing time mocks, which means you should start focusing on time management. Time management is important in any entrance exam. Why? Because you have a specific time period and you should have an edge कि अगर आप आंसर कर रहे हो तो it should be accurate. अगर गलत होता है तो you will lose marks. So in that period of time, you should make sure कि आपकी accuracy भी हो रही है and questions are also being done in the right amount of time. If you are giving more time to a specific question, you are losing the time period required for the other questions, the other coming questions. So make sure that you're properly focusing on time management because in any entrance exam, it is very important. Most important part is revision. You have to make sure that you're revising all the dates, all the formulas in your mathematics or either economics. Make sure कि उनको properly revise कर रहे हो, not just one day before the exam, but regularly on daily basis. Because we generally tend to forget the formulas and dates जो हमें avoid करना है in the exam. Number 6 is practice. Practice and practice. Why practice is important? Because you have to know कि MCQs की importance कितनी ज़्यादा है in CUET. Until and unless you are practicing things, आप पूरा concept cover नहीं कर पाओगे and you will not have an idea कि इस part of the paper से कैसा question बन सकता है. You have to make sure अगर concept भी revise कर चुके हो तो उनके MCQs solve कर रहे हो. Regularly practicing stuff. Not just mock test, generally सारे MCQs practice कर रहे हो. Do mock test every day. ज़्यादा amount of mock test करना start करो because you have very less time left. But also revise by solving MCQs and practicing general MCQs without specifying or confining it to general mock tests. और practice में सिर्फ general MCQ solve करना नहीं आता है. Practice में you should also practice techniques. The techniques which can help you solve that particular MCQ in a very less time. ये generally GT में काफ़ी helpful होता है and also in accountancy. You should know short tricks to solve those MCQs क्योंकि time बहुत कम है. You cannot solve it entirely in a paper and then mark the answer क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा time आपका consume हो जाएगा. Coming to the number 7 is clearing all your doubts. अब डाउट्स क्लियर करना इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि अगर आप MCQ में कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट गलत करते हो, एनालिसिस के बाद आपको पता चल रहा है कि आपका ये कॉन्सेप्ट गलत है या आपको इस कॉन्सेप्ट में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली मेक श्योर कि आप उस कॉन्सेप्ट को क्लियर कर रहे हो. अगर क्लियर नहीं करोगे एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, अगर वो सेम चीज़ आपके एग्जाम में आती है, देन यू विल फेस इशूज इन सॉल्विंग दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली. तो अगर आप किसी क्वेश्चन में गलती कर रहे हो तो you should clear all your doubts regarding that topic, regarding that chapter or any specific thing in that particular subject. Number 8 is focusing on accuracy. अब CUET में accuracy बहुत important है. because you have negative marking here. अगर आप क्वेश्चन गलत करते हो तो you lose marks, and the frequency of losing marks is very more क्योंकि आप at the end of the day you're losing 6 marks if you're doing one MCQ wrong. So make sure that you're focusing on accuracy alongside time management. वो कैसे आएगा? By practicing mock test properly. एंड जब मॉक टेस्ट ढूंढने की बारी आती है तो दे आर वेरी लेस एंड वेरी अनरिलायबल सोर्सेज अवेलेबल ऑनलाइन. एंड इफ यू वांट टू मेक श्योर कि आपकी प्रैक्टिस अच्छे से हो रही है, मेक श्योर दैट यू ट्यून इन टू TJP's website, because we are providing you free mocks to solve on our website, alongside which we also are providing you a paid mock test series of just ₹800, by where you can make sure you can avail the benefit of solving 75 plus MCQs. And these MCQs have an analysis at the end, जिससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि आप किन क्वेश्चंस में गलती कर रहे हो, किन क्वेश्चंस में आपको इम्प्रूव करने की जरूरत है, एंड हाउ मच टाइम यू आर टेकिंग इन अ स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन. तो आपको अपनी डिफिकल्टी पार्ट भी पता चल जाएगा एंड द थिंग्स दैट यू आर गुड इन. Make sure to get your hands on these mock tests, not just the mock test series or the free mocks. We also are providing free classes on our YouTube channel. You can check those classes by subscribing to the channel and get benefit of those language and GD classes that we are providing on our YouTube channel live. And these free mock tests can be availed by you by the link given in the description. Make sure that you solve those mock tests and realize कि ये चीज़ें कितनी important है. What are the mistakes that you are making? And these mock tests are curated by your due seniors who have given CUE last year. तो आपको at the end एक benefit ये भी है कि आप डायरेक्टली उन लोगों के थ्रू वो MCQ सॉल्व कर पा रहे हो जिन्होंने खुद CUE लास्ट टाइम दिया था, and they have a good amount of experience. Number 9 is do not scatter your sources of information. Why? जब आप अलग अलग सोर्सेज से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करोगे, it will at the end affect your accuracy of information. कैसे? Supposedly there is source जो कुछ कह रहा है जो गलत है, एंड नाउ दैट यू आर मूविंग टू ऑल अदर सोर्सेज, तो आपको कंफ्यूज ही कर रहे हैं क्योंकि सब अलग अलग चीज़ें बोल रहे हैं एंड यू आर गेटिंग कंफ्यूज्ड. सो मेक श्योर कि आप कुछ डिफाइंड सोर्सेज रख रहे हो अपने कलेक्शन ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए. लास्ट वन इज स्टेइंग डिटर्मिन्ड. आप इतने दूर तक आ चुके हो एंड नाउ दैट यू आर नॉट स्टेइंग डिटर्मिन्ड, इट विल नॉट हेल्प. द लास्ट 10 days आर द मोस्ट प्रेशियस डेज एंड यू शुड कीप इन माइंड कि अगर आप इस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पर डिटर्मिन्ड नहीं रहोगे, so at the further point of time you will face a lot of issues in making sure कि आप properly consistent भी हो process में and determined भी हो to get your dream colleges, dream universities or dream courses. So make sure that you're staying determined through the entire process. Subscribe to the channel, like the video and comment down any doubts you have regarding anything related to CUET. If you have any doubts in the preparation, also comment down and don't forget to subscribe to the channel again. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.